finely chop the smoked salmons. Finely chop 1 small mini cucumber. Finely chop a small amount of red onion or onion. All the ingredients are now ready. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and if you like it spicy, add about half a tablespoon of sriracha sauce. Mix everything well. Place the rice on plastic wrap. Since the smoked salmon is already salty, you don't need to season the rice. Put some smoked salmon mixture on top of the rice. Gather the plastic wrap and shape it into a bowl. This is your smoked salmon rice bowl. You can enjoy it as is, or you can roll it in a mixture of cane flakes and sesame seeds for extra flavor. This simple yet unique smoked salmon rice bowl is done. It's great a quick meal or lunchbox idea. Wow, they taste amazing. See you in the next video. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.